Each year for the Oklahoma Proven Program, we choose a plant for a tree, shrub, annual and perennial that we promote. But every once in a while we throw in a plant in the collector's choice. This is a plant that might need special site selection or special care, or may just be an underutilized plant that you might have to search around a little bit to find it. This year we did choose a collector's choice plant, and it is the Mexican Buckeye, or Ungnatia speciosa. A Mexican Buckeye is a native plant. It's a shrub, multi-stem shrub that can grow 15 to 30 feet high and about 20 foot high and 20 foot wide at maturity. It is native to Central and West Texas, down into Mexico and New Mexico, but it is actually quite hardy here in Oklahoma. We've had these specimens, we have about 3 of them on campus. They've been here for several years and they've done really well. Now, last year, February of 2021, when we had that deep freeze, these plants were actually killed to the ground, but they came back very nicely from the crown of the plant, from the roots, and we have these wonderful plants. You can see this is all growth in just the last year and a half. Now, what I really like about this plant is in the springtime, just as the leaves are beginning to emerge, they also produce these bright pink flowers. And so it actually resembles very much a redbud in the springtime. So it has these bright pink flowers against these nice gray, light gray bark stems. And then the leaves come on, when they're new, they come in nice bright coppery color, and then they mature to a light green, bright green throughout the summer. They're pinnately compound, and then in the fall, they actually turn a nice bright yellow. Now, following the flowers, there's actually a seed pod that's produced by the plant, and it's actually a 3-valved capsule that matures to a dark brown, nice rich brown color as the summer progresses. And when it's mature, it'll split open and reveal these bright, shiny black seeds. Now, the capsule and the seeds actually resemble a buckeye. That's the common name, Mexican Buckeye, but it's not actually a true buckeye. In fact, they're not even related. So this is an awesome plant. It tolerates alkaline soils. It's very, like I mentioned, very heat and drought tolerant. So if you're looking for a great plant to maybe be a accent plant or to be used as a background or a deciduous screen, this might be a great choice for you, especially in central and western Oklahoma.
We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.